install. Hello everyone, this is C4 from Mesolite Visual. When inspiration hits, MSBIM Warehouse is there. With the extensive brand new modern ArchiCAD door capabilities that architects, specifiers, builders, 3D artists, and building owners need to distinguish their projects. In this video, we are meeting the MSBIM warehouse manager to take a tour of their ArchiCAD door library collection. State-of-art 3D manufacturing skills are the key reasons why MSBIM Warehouse is able to offer such a wide range of brand new door options and delivering them with a different 3D form. Join us as we take a virtual tour through MSBIM architectural model brand new door collection warehouse. Prepare to be inspired. Guys, let us meet my friend, the manager of this warehouse, Mr. Mutwisi. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Welcome to our warehouse, and thank you for coming.
Thank you. Can you take us through your collection, sir?
Oh, yes. MSBIM maintains a large inventory of raw veneer doors, ranging from common species such as oak, maple, mahogany, to more exotic materials such as purple heart, zebra wood, and walnut. Let us take a walk to see our collection.
Thank you. This is nice, guys. It's so amazing. This is what?
Oh, this door here is called Great Plains II. It is made up of dark mahogany. It's an external and internal door. A very good piece
Okay.
of door. It's very nice.
Yeah, it is. It is. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, this is great, guys. I really appreciate your input in this.
Oh, thank you, my friend. You know, a door is a welcoming feature of the building, hence it contributes a lot to the design of buildings, you know. So we needed to provide our customers with some great resources to their design workflows.
No, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah. Talking of the workflow, who are you offering this to? Who are your customers, guys?
Well, we are doing this for designers and artists in the building design world, you know, your architects, interior designers who use ArchiCAD in that design workflow. Different file formats will be available soon for different design programs, you know.
Okay, that sounds great. Wow, you guys are smart. So how do they access these doors? Do they visit your warehouse or how? Tell me.
Oh, I don't know. Good question, my friend. Good question. This resource library has to be part of that design tool, you know. To access and download the files, click on the link in the description and load the library to your ArchiCAD.
Sounds great. How do I do it? I mean, like, do I just copy paste the files in the project or junk?
Oh, yeah. It's a bit French to them. So we provided with them a favorite file. We call it the PR file.
Yeah, I like using memories.
Yes. So to load the project, to load the favorite file, you go to menu bar and click on the window, and then palettes, and then click on favorites. Favorites window will pop up, and then click on the additional settings at the top right corner.
Yeah, at the top there.
Yes,
Can I see?
of the window. So import, then click on import tab to locate the MSBIM Door Catalog, and then favorite file.
Oh yeah.
Load it to the project.
Yeah.
You can now start enjoying using our collection to define your project.
I think I would prefer this one.
Yeah, it's much easier.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
this one is
I
straightforward.
think most people will go with this one.
Yeah. Okay. What else do you guys offer within the same parameters? What I'm meaning is there any project digital products you are doing as well?
Oh no, man, quite a lot, my friend, quite a lot. We have quite a number of digital products to offer. We have another department where we create presets of customized aluminum windows, and you can just check the video. I think it was loaded, I think a week ago.
That's great.
You know, and the link, you know, yeah.
It will be linked in the description.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think there we go. There is the link. Okay. You also have what? A modern staircase I see in the list.
Yeah. There's quite a few, my friend. Quite a few. Just enjoy. Follow the link description below, and just
Okay. Yeah, I can see here. You are saying the modern staircase collection. It will be ready